This is what I consider to be the frozen tundra. I mean, there is ice all over these trees. Ice. The branches are iced up. Look at the ice hanging off of here. I mean, it's like ridiculous. This is, oh my goodness. And pole wind chimes froze. They don't know what to do. I mean, all the branches are just frozen. Yeah, the car, the whole thing. Even my stairs here are slippery. Gotta be careful of the stairs. Alright, look at that railing. Nothing but ice. Ice. My poor angel. Look depressed, don't know what to do. Ice. Can't even move it. Froze. Just thought I would give y'all a little glimpse of all this ice that we got. And we got a few brave souls out there get out on them streets. No, it's too cold and too much ice. Look at that, look at that. Ice, not snow, ice. Everything you see white is ice. Yeah. A little bit more white. It's ice on top of snow. Anyways, I'm about to go back in the house before something, you know, the wind blowing. You don't never know with these iced up branches what'll happen. So, that's my cold take on Ice Watch 2011. And hope you're praying for us, because it's cold and it's ice everywhere. And I want to live. Anyways, that's all I got for you right now. And ain't no word for the day, but find Jesus. Because if you don't, it ain't the ice you're going to have to worry about. Believe that.